getting bad. I'm waiting for some blood tests to come back before they can start taking out more of my teeth, because I always end up with septic. Whew. I might be filtering some water today if we're out for a long period of time. I brought all the water filters with me. I'm going to actually show you that today. More than likely, we'll need to get some water. Maybe we'll just like camp out, because I'm going to take you on a scooter ride down through the cabin, down through the campground that I'm in. This is an all-year campground. Just, for anyone's information, there's not many of them. You got to be on the other side of the Appalachian Trail if you want to find one that you can live in, build on, and maintain, like just stay, So, hi guys. So I'm going to take you just around the campground a little bit and show you why it is I stay here, and it's pretty convenient. I mean, as far as finances go, um, I'm physically, and I have some mental challenges, and so living out here actually helps me so much. So yeah, you're on the front of the scooter. We're gonna go for a scooter ride. Everything will be good today. It's gonna be a great day. Let's go. Stay with me, it's gonna get bumpy. So what we have over here Okay. Yep, my handlebars, my whole bike thing, my whole bike is off. Hold on. This is the pool. And across this little bridge. I think I took you guys here the other day. Yeah. And the pool's, see the pool's back there. And then right here is the 5-star restaurant. And that huge wall in front of us is the dam. That's not what we're interested in today. I can take you all the way up to the top of that and ride that ridge right there. Let me turn around here. We're going to go down here. Hey, hi everybody. So we're gonna go through my bag today. Show you what's in here. This is not everything that I carry. Just letting you know. I'm gonna set you up on a little tripod I have, so hold on. I always pack out is snacks. I always have snacks. I have chai tea. Just things that in case I'm out or get stuck somewhere, I have my emergency inhaler. This is my solar panel for the phone that we're actually on right now. And this will charge my phone as I'm riding around on my scooter or backpacking. So, see the red light that's on? That means I can charge my phone right now, but I'm using my phone to record this. Then I have, this is just a little Faraday bag. This is from I can't say the name. So this little Faraday bag actually worked. They've all been tested. I do have 3 of them. This is my hand cranked radio. So this has been, I've had this stuff for years. So you just crank it like this. And then it's got like an antenna on it, solar panel. I can charge my phone from this also. However, I did not like the way it was charging the phone since it's like would be an emergency situation. That's why I bought the little solar panel. Anyway, this has been in either a bug out bag, a hiking bag. The other thing I never leave home without is my raincoat. This is not just a rain poncho. This is the one that has the buttons on it. And if you're going to get a poncho or you think you're going to start going to the woods or whatever, this opens up. See how big it is? And you can actually put tent poles in it or tie it to a tree and make a little shelter. So I don't leave home without a way to charge the phone if possible. Which is this. The raincoat for shelter. Food. Emergency breathing. Communication. Or a hand cranked radio. This is the other bag that I always have with me. This is what I want to show you today. This is what you would filter water out of. See, this is a Sawyer water filter, okay? Sawyer. You take this. This is just a little squeeze bag. And I'll take you over. Oh. Okay, can you see me? So you take this little squeeze bag. First, what you want to do is blow it up. And you put it in the water. Just like this. See, you fill it all the way. Let me get my hand out of there. Just keep filling it up. Okay, so till it's full. See how this is full? Now what you do is you want to take your Sawyer water filter and you see how it says flow? Flow. Okay, now this, it's important to keep your cap. Don't lose this cap. So it's saying flow this way, meaning this end goes in here. Now you're going to screw this on, and guess what? Watch. Filtered water. It's so good. Hey, okay, so this is the other way that I do filter water. These are really convenient. These are called Gorel, and this is so simple. You see this? It's a cup. Okay, you just put the water like this. Uh-oh, I dropped my hair tie. Hold on. So you have a whole cup of water. Do you see the orange thing on the bottom? This goes in here. Now this is a little hard, but what you do is you push this down, and it could get a little hard, but you keep pushing. You keep pushing. Now, do you see how this is really close to each other? This has to be totally put on. That has to meet that lip. And then, see? You got fresh, clean, look, fresh water. See, the filter is at the bottom down there. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Guys, that water is so good. I'm sorry, my hair is trashed right now. I'm gonna have to. Anyway, so when you get your water, your Sawyer water filter, I'm sorry about my hair. It is so humid out here. This, do not throw this away. Okay? You go like this. Hold on. And you see that little bit of water? That's actually a lot of water coming out of there. You have to take care of your Sawyer water filters. Aw, a little butterfly just came around to visit us. So it's important. For time's sake, we'll put it away. And I will definitely be flushing out that system as soon as I can. So then at the bottom of the bag, I always carry one of these. This is the original fatty. These are so good. If you're having teeth problems and you're in the process of having your teeth all done, these are actually pretty soft. You can eat them. You would be able to eat it in the wads. Then I have the Wagyu beef epics. And then I also have the salmon smoked epics. And these, I usually just suck on them to try to get like all the nutrition out of them until I'm able to just swallow it. But they're pretty tough. That's why I have this one. Yeah, I can't wait to get my teeth taken care of. This is for cuts or if anything where you need to wash out a cut or anything. You could use this to take a whole shower in. No rinse foam cleanser. Fragrance free, hypoallergenic, sulfate free. It's got no chemicals in it. Yeah. So, and then of course I have a hat. Just for emergencies, I do have one more small phone charger and one spare cord. And let me take you up to the bike. Show you. This is a set of headphones, like the old style. Is spare. I have a spare Sawyer. I have a fire starter kit. I also have a stove, but I don't have my stove today because it's too hot to be cooking in the park. Look what I found in the creek. I found seashells. Do you see the little baby seashells? Look. Little baby seashells. See that?
Come witness wonders
So,
unfold.
we're finding seashells.
Blaze trail, soar high and embrace wild mountain
We're
life.
finding crabs.
Thrilling quests away.
Look at this.
Let's go for a ride.
Look.
Let
Now
me
there's
show you
seashells.
something.
And, whoa.
Let's see till the cars just away.
We found,
the trees speaking away.
see, and here's the crab.
Let me show you something. See what we can see. Be free. Fly, meet God in creation. Fly.
There's so many.
Have thoughts and ponder. She shall run to the forest, and the pine will cleanse her. For this is where she makes her bed. Let's go to the forest, to see what we can see. Under construction with more. Let's commune in the midst of the forest and heal. See you there, yeah.
Hey guys, I am trying to get back here. Let's see, I see a couple right there that are alive. Let's investigate a little more. Do you hear the cracking noises? That's why I couldn't come to the forest for a very long time, because of those cracking noises. Okay, let's walk down this. See how good my skills are. See this? We're going to walk down here. I'll get it to where you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to walk down this. Okay. See what we got here. Ta-da! Look! Nice. What are these? Hold on.